Hey, for Global Towing, which car is it that I'm grabbing?
Hold on 1 second here, man. Global. Global's for the Subaru here.
Subaru. Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah. What's up, Sherm? Hello. How are you?
How long are you gonna be? 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay, you guys are more than welcome to hop in my truck in the meantime so you stay warm, okay?
Don't worry about it. Truck can keep
Yeah.
warm until Bill gets here.
Which truck?
That one right there. she wants to go to my shop.
Where's yours?
Global Tech Collision.
Global Tech?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you need a card?